Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to go live, talk about the market, where we're at currently. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts here. This is on the Robinhood platform. VTI is sitting at 207. It started out red this morning, down about a quarter of a percent. It looked like, starting to trend back upward. It did just peak at 1150 this morning. Robinhood said it was 207.68, but for some reason I just don't believe that. But sure enough, it was. Sometimes like their charting is weird. Like it'll say it only hit 207.68, but I'll check like another platform, and like Indeed, it'll be actually a little bit bigger or a little bit higher. So not a huge fan of Robinhood's charting. Hopefully they can get better over time. Let's look at SPY here. Same thing with them. The whole market's kind of reacting the same way. It started out red this morning, started to push back up. Does look like we're going to be trending back downward. I pretty much sold out all my positions, just sitting in a lot of cash right now. I have about a half a share of SPY. Just going to slowly either get into that or get out of that position. Looks like it's starting to drop a good bit here. I might need to start open up some more shorts here. QQQ, same idea, man. All three of these ETFs, the total stock market, the S&P, and the Nasdaq all started out red and then trended back up, and then right around noon, I don't know if some kind of news came out or what exactly, but did dip off the past 10 20 minutes now. It'll be interesting to see where we close at, whether it's up, down, flat for the rest of the day. Definitely looking forward to that to see, what happens for sure. So, yeah, if you guys are here, please hit the like for this stream. Trying to get on here and do some more updates, kind of just talk with our viewers and get their feedback. So let me know. I personally think we're going to end up bearish this week. We did have a pretty big sell off. That was last week. We're only sitting at Tuesday here. I'm sorry, it's Wednesday. We have a couple more days this week. I think we're gonna be flat or actually go down a little bit for the remainder of the week. But once again, I don't have a whole lot of money in any of these positions right now. Just kind of staying cash. Shopify reports earnings after hours today, so definitely gonna be watching that one. That's a company that I really like. I think they're just a leader in that space. As far as e-commerce goes, Shopify is number one right now, in my opinion, just with all their technology. So if you're looking to get into e-com and you want to build a store online, I still think Shopify is superior to really anything out there in the market. Dow Jones, same thing with SPY. It actually never went green today. Down about, at 10 a.m. was down about 0.59. Got back up to 0.14. Trending back downwards now. 31 holdings there with the Dow. SPY's heading down. Looked like Microsoft was getting beat up this morning. I don't know if they had bad news come out. They got a huge dividend coming in right there. Apple looks to be pretty strong today. Microsoft, I don't know if it's because of all the AI stuff. Yeah, they were getting beat up this morning. They still, they didn't really rally much. Still down almost, down about 1.5%. See what Tesla's doing. Tesla's pretty strong today. I was watching AMD earlier. I was thinking about jumping in, but AMD's, I don't know, man. I feel like it's overbought right now. I mean, it's had a terrific run the past month. I was looking at it back in the 60s and 70s, but it's sitting at $80 now, man. I like AMD, but I don't know. I feel like 80 it might be overextended right now. I think Nvidia's would be a better play for me. 225. Past month is up almost 30%. I mean, same thing with Nvidia too, though. I saw someone on Twitter the other talking about how so many people were not buyers, or they really weren't interested in these semiconductor stocks. But then as soon as the Chat GPT stuff came out, they immediately switched and became a lot more interested in these semiconductor stocks. So TSM is another one I've talked about before. It's a Taiwan semiconductor. It has sold off a lot since. It's probably, well, that was yesterday actually. 97 yesterday to today. Wow. Got smacked today, down 6%. They have some bad news or something like that. Oh, Berkshire Hathaway slashed its stake. Huh, that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, they have a pretty big moat. They're a huge semiconductor in Taiwan. I watched the video the other day, and their factory is just massive. Sheds most of its stake in TSM. That's interesting. So, I know there's a lot of risk going on right now with other countries, potentially. Oh, nice little bug there, Robinhood. No country associated with the headquarters. I know there's been a lot of uncertainty with other countries potentially going to war and stuff, China, Taiwan. So maybe that's why Berkshire Hathaway is trimming some of its let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking pretty good today, up 3%. Nice. I actually have a good bit of Riot in various accounts. Glad to see that one's doing pretty well today. Small cap stock. It's actually a crypto mining, very, very speculative play, betting on crypto. But it's a mining company that, I believe they just focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but don't quote me on that. But according to Robinhood, 90% buy, but, take that with, however you'd like to process that data. Earnings are coming up in a couple weeks, so that'll be interesting to see. They're not profitable, obviously, but yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off here. I just wanted to shoot a quick little market update video. See what the market is doing. See if I can get any feedback from you guys. I don't think I have any comments yet. If not, that is totally fine. I will jump off here and wrap it up for the day. Nothing really crazy going on, just watching the market. Nasdaq's trying to go green right now, so that's interesting to see. But let me know what you guys think about the market conditions that we're in right now. Do you think we're going to continue to trend upward this year? I know Nasdaq is up. What is the Nasdaq up so far this year? Let me look that up real quick before I let you guys go. QQQ year to date, it's up 16%, around that. So what is going to happen? Do you think we're going to hold on to those gains, or do you think that's just kind of something that's going to go away? It's going to retrace back down. Nasdaq's up almost 16%, like I said. S&P 500 is up 8%. Same thing with them, though. Well, what do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna the rest of the year? I know it's we're only in February, so we have 10 months left, but definitely interested to hear your guys' thoughts. Dow Jones is only up 3%. What's Apple up this year? Apple is up 23%. I know ARKK, they've been balling this year. They're up almost 39%. Nasdaq, what is it going to do the rest of the day? Tesla, I think I saw the other was like up 100%. Where's it at now? Up 96% on the year to date. So that's that would have been a good stock to buy back in January. That's for sure. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up for today. Just wanted to jump on here real quick, shoot a quick little live stream, see if I can get any feedback. Feel free to like and subscribe. Definitely helps us out a lot as we're going to try to continue to keep pushing out some more content for the remainder of the year. And if you have any, content suggestions, anything you guys want me to make a video on, definitely, let me know down below. But all right, guys, that's it for the stream. Take care and have a great week. It's Wednesday. Happy hump day.